Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Notebook LM just announced one of their biggest update up to this date, and it is short video overviews. If you go to this Notebook LM and on the right hand side you will find this video overview. If you click on that, here you see this is the short option that they have added, and also I have tried, and if you go to our channel Code Digit, and here if you go to the short section, here you see that I just uploaded this video on YouTube to test this. So if I just play it from my machine, then you will understand. So this is the video that I have made.
Deepseek drops another huge breakthrough. Long-running AI hits a severe speed limit when downloading past context from storage overloads the system. Imagine a coding AI with a 30,000-word project history just trying to write its next line. To read that history, a dedicated reading node called the pre-fill engine steps in. It has to download the entire 30,000-word memory from a storage drive. But with only one external connection, that massive download
So
instantly maxes out the pipe.
So here you see that this kind of animated video that is made by the Notebook LM. I have not made this video. I just added one logo on the right hand side below corner, and all of these motion graphics that you can see in this short video, this is added by the Notebook LM. Now I am playing the rest of the video.
Meanwhile, a separate node handles writing the actual code, the decoding engine. It sits perfectly idle with its own wide-open storage connection. But it can't help, because reading the context isn't its job. DualPath breaks this bottleneck by splitting the download. It commands that idle decoding engine to pull half the memory from storage simultaneously. Then the decoding engine shoots its half over to the prefill engine using the server's ultra-fast internal hardware link. By harvesting both connections at once, the prefill engine receives the full context twice as fast. And that coding agent? It gets its entire project history instantly, generating the perfect next line of code without ever waiting on a traffic jam.
So you see it is great, right? So this kind of video you can easily make inside this LM Studio, and sorry, inside this Notebook LM. And here you see if you select this short, and there you will find this option, so that what should be the video focus on. So basically the context that you have added, based on that it will ask you this kind of three different question, and otherwise you can give the custom topic. So I just gave the custom topic that I want a video on this dual path and how it is solving the real life problem. Based on that it has made this, and this is the dual path from Deepseek. They just invented this architecture. So if you go to our channel, and if you search this Deepseek, then you will find this. Yes, this one I think. Yes, here you see this is the video. That was a long video that I published, and when Notebook LM announced this feature of this short video, then I tried this. So basically what you need to do, go to this Notebook LM, click on this add sources, and here add many sources, as many sources that you want to add, do that, and then on the right hand side you will find this video overview. Now let me do one thing. Let me just place myself on the left hand side, and here you see this is the video overview, and if you click on this you will find this short. Select that and just give your requirement here, click on this generate. Now on the right hand side here you see I have already made this. This is the video that I have shown you. Now that was not the real video, so this is not the real video that I have shown you. Okay, I have modified it, the voice. Okay, so the real voice is this one. Here you see.
How do AI agents avoid choking on their own mastery? A dedicated reading node called the prefill engine steps in. It has
Okay, so this is the kind of real voice, and so I added another voice in the background, and after that I published that. Okay, so this is the thing that I did, and not only for the content creation purpose. If you want to get overview of any chapter or on any topic in the form of short video, then also you can use this feature. And obviously the long video feature is there, which is this explainer. So if you are a free user, then you will get these two option only, explainer and short. Explainer, here you see this is the 16:9 ratio, and the short is the 9:16 ratio. Okay, so according to your choice you can do that. And if you are a ultra subscriber or pro subscriber, then you may get the cinematic option here, but that is a completely different thing. But yes, for free user also this short option is available. So please give it a try, and let me know your thought with this model or your experience with this model in comment section. And again, this is the feature that is available in English only. Okay, so for other languages, you will not get that this short feature. Means you cannot generate the video in Hindi or English, in Japan or France language. Okay, it is available in English only, right? So yes, this is the thing, guys, I wanted to share with you. If you found this video helpful and if you want to stay updated with AI, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.